Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best room divider curtains that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Sunnily Room Divider No Drilling Curtain Rod. This product stands out for its versatility and innovative design, especially its no-drill installation system. If you're living in a rental space, dorm, or simply don't want to damage your walls, this room divider rod is perfect for you. Its adjustable height and width, ranging from 4 to 10 feet high and 28 to 114 inches wide, allow for maximum customization to fit various spaces. The solid stainless steel construction ensures durability and can hold up to 45 pounds of curtain weight, making it suitable for heavy blackout curtains or lighter drapes. The Sunnily divider is incredibly easy to set up and take down, which is ideal for those who frequently rearrange their spaces or need a temporary partition. It's also freestanding and tension-mounted, which means it can be used even on textured ceilings or tile flooring. However, keep in mind that this product does not include curtains, so you'll need to purchase those separately to complete your setup. While it's a great option for renters or those in need of a portable solution, it might not be the best choice for users who prefer a fixed, permanent installation. The price point of $39.99 is reasonable given its quality and load-bearing capability. Overall, this is an excellent pick for anyone looking for a customizable and durable room divider system that doesn't require drilling. Number 4 on our list is the premium option from CBSR, the Room Divider Ceiling Mounted Curtains Track Set. At $60.99, this product offers a complete solution for creating private spaces without building walls. The package includes a blackout curtain, a bendable white curtain track, hooks, curtain tiebacks, and all the necessary mounting accessories. The standout feature here is the flexible curtain track, which allows for installation in various shapes, such as arcs, rounds, or rectangles, perfect for unconventional spaces. The blackout curtain itself is made of high-quality polyester fabric that blocks 85 to 98% of light, providing privacy and excellent thermal insulation. Its 3-layer construction also absorbs noise, ensuring a quieter environment whether you're working or relaxing. The curtain's smooth texture adds a touch of sophistication, and it's machine washable for easy care. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included hardware and detailed instructions, though it does require ceiling mounting, which may not be suitable for renters or those without DIY skills. While the price is on the higher side compared to other products on this list, the added functionality and premium build quality make it worth the investment, particularly for those looking to divide larger spaces or add a touch of luxury to their room setup. This curtain track set is ideal for bedrooms, offices, or children's rooms where privacy and light control are a priority. Taking the third spot is the McAfee Room Divider Curtains. This product combines functionality and performance, making it a versatile choice for dividing spaces in your home or office. It features a total blackout design thanks to its triple-layer polyester fabric and sewn black lining, which blocks out sunlight and UV rays completely. If you're someone who values privacy or needs a dark environment for better sleep, this curtain is a solid option. The McAfee curtain excels in thermal insulation and noise reduction, with a fabric thickness that's 40% greater than typical curtains. This ensures a balanced indoor temperature by keeping heat out in summer and retaining warmth in winter. Additionally, its noise absorption performance is 25% higher than standard options, making it ideal for creating a peaceful environment in busy households or shared living spaces. The black color adds a timeless aesthetic, and the curtain is machine washable, though care should be taken to avoid high temperatures. Priced at $46.99, this curtain is a mid-range option that delivers premium features, although it doesn't come with a track or mounting system, which could be a drawback for some users. It's best suited for those who already have a curtain rod or track in place and are looking for a high-performance blackout solution. At number 2, we have the RYB Home Wall Divider Curtain. This curtain combines affordability and performance, making it a great pick for budget-conscious buyers. Priced at $23.79, it comes in a cream beige color that complements a variety of interior design styles. The curtain measures 7 feet tall by 8.3 feet wide and features 14 anti-rust grommets, making it easy to install on any standard curtain rod. The fabric is 100% polyester and triple woven, offering excellent blackout capabilities to block out light and improves privacy. It also helps insulate against heat in the summer and cold in the winter, which can save on energy bills. While it's not completely soundproof, it does reduce noise to a comfortable level, making it great for shared living spaces or home offices. The texture of the fabric is soft and durable, and it's machine washable for hassle-free maintenance. While it's not as feature-packed as higher-end options, the RYB Home Wall Divider Curtain delivers solid performance at an attractive price point. This curtain is ideal for anyone looking for a simple yet effective solution to divide spaces without breaking the bank. Finally, taking the top spot is the Joy Deco Blackout Room Divider Curtain. As the budget option on this list, priced at just $19.98, this curtain offers incredible value for money. Measuring 84 inches long and 100 inches wide, it's perfect for sliding glass doors, large windows, or dividing spaces in your living room, bedroom, or office. Despite its affordable price, it doesn't skimp on features. The Joy Deco curtain is made of durable polyester fabric that's fade-resistant and designed to last. Its blackout capability ensures privacy and blocks out sunlight effectively, helping to balance room lighting and temperature. It's also energy efficient, offering insulation against drafts and reducing noise levels, which makes it a great choice for bedrooms or studios. The grommet top makes installation straightforward, and the fabric is machine washable. So maintenance is a breeze. While this curtain doesn't have the advanced features or premium build quality of higher-priced options, it's a fantastic pick for anyone on a tight budget who needs a simple yet functional room divider. It's lightweight, attractive, and easy to install, making it the perfect entry-level option for dividing spaces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.